The people who clear in first attempt will tell you how to use your resources efficiently. What to do will be told to you by people who clear it in first few attempts. I started out my own preparation in 2020. I started in September 2020. So I used to watch topper talks of different toppers. Some people clear this exam in one attempt, some in 2, some in 5, some in 7. Different people have different strategies. People who clear it in 5 attempts are better able to tell you what not to do for this examination, because initially when they started out, they took n number of resources and they could not clear prelims also. The people who clear in first attempt will tell you how to use your resources efficiently. What to do will be told to you by people who clear it in first few attempts, and what not to do will be told to you by people who clear it in later attempts. So everybody is equally important in channelizing your strategies and making your plans. So yeah, and I'll also share the names of toppers, answer sheets, and topper talks that I followed. Vision IAS के जो topper talks होते हैं वही I watched. उसमें 2018 बैच में मिस्टर अक्षत जैन, रैंक 2, मिस्टर विक्रम ग्रेवाल, rank 51, because he was my senior and I found many of his personality traits very close to my own, so I personally followed this person also. This was AIR 2. And on DKT, these were Vision IAS topper talks. And on DKT, again 2018, one of the toppers was Miss Vaishali Singh. I think her rank was 8. Yeah. So these were the major toppers talks that I followed throughout my journey, because sometimes what happens is you watch toppers talks in the beginning of your preparation, then you lose out some points, they go out of your mind. So you need to keep in touch with them again and again, and you can select your own toppers. These were my toppers whom I followed during my preparation. So if you want to select other toppers, you are free to do that, but these were the ones which I followed. प्राइमरली बिकॉज जब मैंने तैयारी शुरू की तो 2018 के ही रिजल्ट्स आए थे, 2019 के रिजल्ट्स आए नहीं थे, और 2020 की तो प्रोसेस शुरू नहीं हुई थी. तो दीज आर द टॉपर्स आई फॉलोड, ऑल ऑफ देम वर फ्रॉम 2018. Yeah, so the points which I am going to share will be my own points and not the points which have been told by these toppers. If you want something else which is related to my strategy, because it has been mainly based on these people's strategies. So if you want, you can also follow them, but I'll be focusing on stuff which was unique to myself. I'm not going to repeat what these people or other toppers have already told you, okay?